you're being a father, how you found this role relative? And also, I like to know that as a father, and like how tough it is for you to stay away from your daughter. I'm like being on the sets.
So I think एक होता है कि being a father and then it is being a father to a daughter.
Yeah.
So especially when a boy or a man becomes a father to a girl child, वो बहुत ही अलग चीज होता है. पूरा इंसान जो आदमी है वो हिल जाता है. You start realizing कि आपकी thinking बहुत चेंज हो जाती है. जो मम्मी बचपन में आपको सिखा रही थी वो सारी चीजें आपके दिमाग में वापस दोहराते हैं. So the first thing actually जब मैं बाप बना, when Natasha gave birth to my baby, मेरे दिमाग में, मेरे बॉडी में एक पहली चीज जो गई थी that how could I ever be mean to my mother. मैं कभी भी अपने खुद के माँ से बुरी तरह कैसे बात कर सकता है जब 9 महीने उन्होंने मुझे पाला. After seeing how what Natasha has done for the baby. So it's a crazy experience, a wonderful experience, and I think having a daughter वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा देता है जिंदगी के बारे में. And what actually being a man is, तो मेरा जो डायलॉग है फिल्म में बहुत करीब है अभी कि अबा हाथ लगा के दिखा मेरी बेटी को, तो वो इधर से निकलता है, पूरे दिल से निकलता है. अभी वो ऐसे ही नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि आई जेन्युइनली मीन इट. कोई आएगा तो काट दो.
Hi Varun, this is Trisha from India Today.
Hi.
Firstly, it's an absolute delight to see you here.
Thank you.
And how are you?
I'm very good. Being in Delhi is always very wonderful. And हम लोग शुरू में कॉलेज गए थे नोएडा में एक्चुअली, फिर वापस आए. last few days have been crazy. हम लोग जयपुर में थे, जयपुर से we flew to Delhi at night. फिर आज पूरा प्रोग्राम है and कल I think there's an idea to go to India Gate as well. So it's going to be packed, like as I can say.
So the question that I'm here for is that Baby John is a remake of Theri, and Theri stars Thalapathy Vijay. So when you were preparing for this role, did you consult the man himself, or the movie's main producer, who also served as Theri's director, Mr. Atlee, was the one who helped you through it?
No, so definitely when Atlee came with this film, there was a reason behind it, and he said that we'll have to change a lot of the geography of the film. We'll have to use it as an adaptation and not really a proper remake. And I think that's what's done. Like you see, a lot of the frames, a lot of the story angles are different. So if someone comes in expecting a book by book remake, they will be disappointed because that's not what the film is. It's an adaptation. So we're not running away from that. But it's more of an adaptation. It's a take on parenting today. It's a take on women's safety in this country. And there's a case, a big case, which is inspired from some real events, which is in the film as well. जो आप देखेंगे. And the role is also quite changed, I think, from that.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Hi, what is sir? This side.
Hello. ठीक है.
The question to you is like, how does it make difference while working?
You say where you're from.
I'm from Jharkhand Media.
Okay, from Jharkhand. Thank you.
Yes. So my question is, how does working with Atlee, such a big director for Baby John, differ from working from Amar Kaushik or Karan Johar movies in terms of storytelling and direction?
No, that's a very good question actually. So geographically, if you see, like Amar comes from Kanpur. My father Nitesh Tiwari are from Kanpur. Karan Johar is obviously a legendary filmmaker from Mumbai, and Atlee is someone who comes from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu. Geographically very different, but all are very great filmmakers. And one thing in common, I would say, जो common है इन तीनों के बीच में, जो emotion है, Indian emotion, वो बिल्कुल change नहीं होता है. I think जितने भी बड़े निर्देशक होते हैं, they chase that big emotion. In same way, Atlee, Kalis who's directed the film, Atlee always wanted that big emotion to come, जो कि ये फिल्म में है. First time I'm playing someone who's after बदलापुर, I'd say, someone जिसके पास में बहुत ही बड़ा हादसा होता है, which is part of the film and because of which things unfold. In the trailers, you can see there's a take on human trafficking, child trafficking. There is a take on that. So, like the ma'am just before you asked, that's what makes this film also very different from the South film. It's not, that take wasn't there in that. So these things are part of it. One of the biggest common links is Attlee, the maker himself, the filmmaker himself. So his stamp is all over the film. So I have to say anything, I'll say that Baby John is an Attlee film, complete Attlee film. So you will see parts of many of his films in this film, like you saw in Jawan for that matter.
Hi, Varun, Bhavna from Times.
Hi Bhavna, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
First of all, congratulations for welcoming a baby girl in your life.
Thank you, thank you.
And the second thing is, I'm a big Salman Khan fan,
Same.
and he's making a cameo in the film. I just wanted to know what's the experience like, and I love your filmography. Whatever you've done, Student of the Year, Badlapur, and then October. You have changed, kind of experimented with whatever films you do. So that is really nice. I mean, very impressive filmography you've done, and now a remake of Theory. So
It's not, I'm just
congratulations.
going to tell you that it's more of an adaptation.
Yeah.
I would love to come and show you all the film
Yeah.
before once, then obviously you all can add your own to it.
Okay. So experience of working with Salman sir, how was it?
Wonderful. I think whenever you get a chance to work with such a big superstar, megastar, such a magnanimous human being, it's amazing. And it's a completely original character crafted for him by Attlee sir. There is there's nothing like this character been seen before. And I don't want to divulge much of the role that what he's playing exactly to Satya in the film. But one thing I've been saying that the amount of time he comes for, the impact of his role will, मतलब उसका असर बहुत महीनों तक रहने वाला है.